Hello guys, what's up? Today uh, I'll make another video about the WordPress introduction. Since my goal is to improve my English speaking, so this is why I am. Uh, this is why I'm making this video. Anyway, my goal is to create whatever video I can create. So there is no specific topics or sometimes I made video when I'm at outside. Sometimes it is related to WordPress or any kind of other programming tips or tricks. So it's not limited to any specific things. Anyway, I think last day I have left here. Last day I left here, and today I will start from the WordPress post. Okay. Okay, right now I'll show you how to create a new post from okay. Right now I'll show you how to create a post. To create a post, okay, let's say we are in the dashboard. To create a post, we have to go to the post and all post. We can create post from here, as well as we can create a post from this sub menu directly. There is another option where we can create post, which is from the top bar menu. Here you can create uh, here you can click on the new button, and here is the post. If you click on it, it will redirect to the page where you can insert the post contents. Okay, I'm going to create a post from here. Add new post. Since this environment is a new WordPress installation, that's why it is showing an onboarding process. I can't remember the exact name of this. I think it's called onboarding. Okay, let's it will the okay it guide this onboarding process will help you. How can you create a how can you create a post how can we create a post? There is a mini tutorial like this. So here is the next button. There is the next tips. How can uh, make your own blog, and to the next uh, there is a hints of what is block library, to know about the block library. And here is the description of how can you get started with the block editor. Here is a details tutorial or guide. From clicking on this link, you'll be redirect to a page. You'll be redirect to a page where you'll see the details documentation on how can you create or how can you use the block editor.
প্র্যাকটিস করতেছো
বানাচ্ছি
আমার কথাগুলো রেকর্ড করতেছিলা
হ্যাঁ
মা নিজে
যা হয় ওই অবস্থায় দেখো, এগুলো আমার কোনো ফর্মালিটি নেই। I'll not edit the video. I'll post this video as it is. So
মানে ওটা শুধু তোমার নিজের জন্য রাখতেছো, মানে সবাই দেখতে পারবে?
সবাই দেখতে পারবে, দেখলে দেখবে।
দেখ ওটা কাটি দিও আমাদের কথা।
Okay, my kid is with me. He is crying. That's why I was that's why I was went to out topic, off topic. Okay, let's get back to the work again. So okay, here is the title. You can write the title here. For example, I'm writing it post 1, post 2. Okay, here is the title, and I'm not sure what does it called. Here is the eye icon. I'm not sure about the uses of it. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, okay, whenever I'm clicking on it, it seems that the title will be hidden and the front page. Okay, let's check it later after adding our content. Okay, I'm getting some dummy content from online. Okay, I think I don't have to go to the dummy content. I get some content from here, so I'm pasting the content here. And to publish the post, this is the, I think, a minimum requirement. It's not actually requirement. We can even publish a post even without the title. So I think at least we should have a title and a content to publish a post or create a post. So okay, I'm publishing the post, and before publishing, you can see that here is a button which is named save draft. So for example, you are making a post for more than like 2 or 3 days or more than that. So so you don't want to publish the post. So whenever a new idea comes to you, you just rewrite this post and you can save it as draft, so that visitors will not be able to see this post. So in this way, it will be in private, like no one can see this, and you will only able to see it, and that's it. Okay, whenever you saved it, you can see that it is saved. Okay, so how can you determine that this post is, so how can you determine that this post is a draft post, not a published post? So okay, let's see the difference between published and draft post. You can determine it from the post list. My kid is crying. Okay, okay, let's come back. Okay, here you can see that here is a draft. You can see that at the right side of the post 2, here is a label which is draft, but from the hello world post, you can see that there is no draft. So from here you can easily determine that which post is in draft or which one is published. So it is easy to understand. Okay, let's there is another way to determine that, which is whenever you are editing a post, like we are editing the publish post. Okay, you can see that okay, we just made some sense, and whenever you save it, you'll see a button which is called save. but the publish button is not showing here because it is already published. But whenever when we are going to edit the post to which is already a draft post, you can see that here is a publish button showing. So there is another way you can determine that this post is still not published. Okay, there is many options available in the post edit page. So I think I'll explain the rest of the options, like how to use the blogs. I do not have any specific roadmap. I'll just randomly show you uh, everything everything, every options in the post edit page. And I will also show you how these options work with the website. Okay, that's all for today. And okay, that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.